Hello friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Nature's Symphony bundle, the textured note dies, and I'm doing sort of a monochromatic card design. So I have old olive here. I also have my piercing mat, and I just put like a resistant mat on the backside of my Stampin' pad there, just so that it doesn't get all inky, right? Who likes inky fingers and, tools? Not me. Because I wear white sometimes and I'm going to get it all over me. So this is the branch stamp from the Nature's Symphony stamp set. And I have inked it up twice and stamped it twice. I am going towards more of the stem is kind of in the middle, sort of. I am trying to get the whole branch in there. And then I did go with Secret C, and I inked up the small thank you. It's very small. It's minuscule, but it kind of lends itself to this very simplistic design. So I'm going to fold my card base here, and then I take my time aligning this rectangle, and this rectangle is from the textured notes dies. I'm not showing you me embossing it or like die cutting it out because I'm pretty sure that you've seen it a million times. Let's get to the card design, am I right? So this is the rectangle, and I am putting it over sort of the stems of those branches so it doesn't get caught up. I did put it on dimensionals. Now I have mini dimensionals on this leaf here, or branch leaf, whatever, and I thought I was going to go that way, but now I'm going this way. And then I had to do some extra adhesion of like doubling up on my mini dimensional. So I'm sharing that with you here to just show you that, I don't always, I have a picture in my head of what I want the card to look like. It doesn't always go that way, so I have to sort of pivot and utilize my little noggin. And yeah, this is what I had to do. So I had to take a little, the mini dimensional and sort of tuck it up underneath one leaf. And then, so there's 3 leaves on this side that have been doubled up. So you just want everything to be the same height. But, and then I'm going to zhuzh this card up a little bit. Now, I put this on Wednesday because although it's a simple card, there's a lot of components to it. I did use 2 different kinds of die cutting. And of course, it is a monochromatic kind of a card. So need to have a lot of the same inks and the card stocks. And of course, this lovely clear glitter clear Wink of Stella glitter brush is what it's called. And I'm addicted to it. I'm obsessed with it. I have been for years. I remember one of my subscribers here on YouTube made fun of me and said, you should have stock in this. I should. Anyway, this is the Mood Palette Glossy Dots collection. There's Secret C, Old Olive, I think that's Balmy Blue, and White. And I did put 2 little ones of the Old Olive, but then I thought, this is kind of fun to put some of the white on this side. So I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. As you can see, I'm keeping up with my New Year's intention by doing the inside of the card. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I will be back on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.